Today I'm going to show you 3 ways to place your video inside text. Go to videos and open new video project. After uploading your video, drag it to the timeline, set video as a background, go to elements, scroll down to frames, and type the letters that you want to use. And drop your video inside these frames. Double click inside the frame and resize it to fit the first video. Double click in the second frame. Go to elements and go to shapes, click in the square, resize it, change the color to black, go to layers, show layers, and make it in the bottom. And you can make it transparent a little bit. The second way, drop your video, go to a new page, go to elements, choose the square shape, resize it, change the color to black, go to text and type your text, change the font and increase the size, and download as PNG. Increase a little bit the size, upload it, and click on it, edit image, remove the background, and increase the size. And you can control the transparency as well. The third way, go to text and type your text, change the font to 210, scroll down, choose this one, resize it, and you can change the color of the text to any color you want. Place it in the middle, go to elements and use the shape to fill all the spaces. Duplicate, duplicate, duplicate. And here's the final result. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe to the channel to learn more about Canva.